Good morning, guys. So let's talk about some of the benefits of refinancing your auto loan. Someone asked me that. What's some of the benefits of refinancing your auto loan? Let's talk about whether it's a good idea or not. One of the things that you could do is, let's say you purchased your vehicle. I don't know, let's say you're in distress and you just needed a car. You're just trying to get into a vehicle. Not necessarily the best rate at the time, but you just wanted to get through the transaction, or maybe the market was just higher at a particular time, so you just went ahead and financed it. Well, as you know, the market changes every day, and interest rates right now may be a lot better. As a matter of fact, they are a lot better than when they were, let's say you purchased your car like 3 or 4 years ago, when the economy was in distress and that sort of thing. So the number one thing that you can do is lower your interest rate. That's number one. The next benefit that you can do is lowering your payment. Lowering the payment may or may not be a strategy, because you could refinance, change from a short to a longer term and get a lower payment, but it still may not benefit you if you are lowering the payment, stretching out the term, and then you're starting over on the loan. So that's not to your advantage. Now, if you are in financial distress and that payment is too high, let's say you were really aggressive and you wanted to pay it off in 3 years, but you're finding that that payment is just choking you financially, it might not be the best situation to stay into that. And if you're in a time right now, let's say if you've lost your job or something like that, or you're not making as much money as you were before, looking at that car payment, which is like usually the number 2 most expensive thing in your budget, it may benefit to lower your payment that way by refinancing. Next thing is you can pay the vehicle off sooner. So let's say you have a 5-year loan and you're halfway into that loan. So that means your principal balance should be down at least 50%. So taking that amount, refinancing it to a lower rate, and let's say a shorter term, let's say you do a 3-year, and accelerate the payments a little bit. Let's say your monthly payment is $350 or something like that. I wouldn't necessarily lower the payment. I would shorten the term at a lower interest rate and then get it paid off sooner. So that helps. Another strategy that I have seen people do a lot over my career is adding a principal payment to the refinance amount. So let's say you have lender A and you're refinancing at a better rate or lower rate to lender B. But you have a couple of $1,000s that you put somewhere and you like to apply that to your car loan to go ahead and get it paid off faster. You can apply that principal payment, refinance the rest at a lower rate. So not only are you paying less interest over the life of the loan, you're probably improving your monthly payment, and you're getting through that car payment faster, which is the objective. We know that cars, decrease in value. So, you don't want to drag a loan payment out for a long time, because you want your market value to be more than what you owe on the vehicle in any particular financial situation. So let me know if you have any questions about refinancing, and I'll share what I know. And if I don't know, I'll definitely refer you to somewhere where they'll be able to help. Have a great day and keep that money tight.